Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all some coolest tips and tricks for camera on Motorola Edge Plus. So firstly, open up camera. Now we can tap on this gear icon, the right corner, and I will show you some of the coolest things from there, and we will then hop into another section. So here we can change the video size up to 6K, and also we can change the slow motion size. We can change it to HD, but it will have twice as much frames. Another cool thing is this capture, quick capture. So if your device is turned off, we can just quickly flip our wrist, and we'll have to type in our lock screen password, and then we will be able to open up a camera, right, very quickly. So we would like to, maybe some cool car is passing by, and we would like to quickly take a picture of it. So that's the way to do. Let's go back to this gear thing, settings. Another very cool thing is assistive grid and leveler. So assistive grid is just what it sounds, just a grid, just to make sure that the thing that you're taking picture of is centered. Yeah, maybe it's going to work better on 5.5. Yeah, just to show. Alright, and another thing is leveler. So we go back here in the settings and enable leveler, and it also makes sure that our picture is leveled horizontally. So this white horizontal line here, and if I would like to just flip, as you can see, just kind of dials off. Okay, and now my picture is centered when this horizontal line turns yellow. Alright, let's go back here. Yeah, another cool thing is called gesture selfie and auto smile capture. We just have auto smile capture, so if everyone in the frame is smiling, it's just going to take a picture of y'all, and if you show your palm during a selfie, it's just going to take a picture for you. Okay, so now let's hop into the other section, which is on the main screen here. First thing is live photos, just like on the iPhone. So if you tap here, you can either enable them or turn them to auto, or just turn them off. Also, you can quickly search for something using Google Lens. You don't have to go Google Photos. You can just take a picture and search them from it. So I don't know if you can see it, but not the main button. But if you tap on this button, it's going to search for this plant online now. Yep. Directly from camera, we can go through Google Lens. Right. Now we can tap on this grid icon, and we have like some basic things here, like macro or portrait, but we have some cool things also, such as cutout. It only works with the back camera, so I can really show you, and also it requires a face. But how does it work? It just, if you take a picture of someone in front of you, it automatically will delete the background of that picture, so it's just going to be that one person. So let's go back here. We have ultra resolution, which just is what it sounds like, but just for me it is stupid that to enable your like full potential of your device, have to get into a special mode for it designed. But like, let's take a picture. Right, and as you can see, it just much more detailed. And I think we had there was like some cool thing in here. No, it's just macro, but like, no. And that's just going to be all, I think. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.